Scheme It online software that you can use from Digi-Key to draw your circuits. So for our lab, if we have two input gates, doesn't matter, it's X or it's AND or NAND nor two input gates, then you are going to use this structure. So you have this SPDT switches, two of them. Connect one side to the ground, the other side using a 1 kilo ohms to VCC, which is 5 volt for us, and connect the middle pin of each switch to the input of gate, two input gates. One switch for one input, the other switch for the other inputs. And for outputs, connect them to a 220 ohm resistor and then connect to the anode of the LED and connect the cathode of the LED to the ground. So this is for 3 input. This is for lab 3 2 input gates. If you have 4 input, if you have 1 input gate like inverter, then you need to do other stuff. Let me just make it. So this is save. Now save as a new project, lab 3, 1 input gate, which is inverter. In this case, you only need 1 switch. Let me delete this switch. Instead, search inverter, schematic symbols, then we want this inverter. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, because we have 6. Then this input is going to be connected to all of them. So now when you turn on the switch, when you connect to the 1, logic 1 through the 1 kilo to VCC, then the output should be 0 and all off. When you connect to 0, then we have 0 in the input, so the output should be 1 and all LEDs should be turned on. Let's save this. If you have 4 inputs, we have, I think, one 4 input gate. Saved it. Now save as new project. Lab 3 4 input gate. Only 2 gates, so let's delete these, this one as well. We're not going to use SPDT, we are going to use SPST switch. So let me find a symbol for it. SPST switches. Does it have 4? So I'm going to use 1. Just delete this switch. Actually, I want the ground. The ground will be here. Shift R. And the ground. I need 4. To copy. Let's get 4 inputs and gate. Do we have it here or not? 2 inputs. Don't have 4. So we only have 2 input. Let's try the IC. 74LS21. Digi-Key catalog. This is not going to work for us. Let's use extension. So copy, Control V, So assume this is one gate. So now we have a 4 input AND gate, then another one. So I just used 3 2-input AND gate to make a one 4-input AND gate. So 4 inputs here, 4 inputs in here. Now let's connect this one to switch 1. So you have to connect to the side of SPST switch, which is connected to the 1K ohm. You need to connect to that pin. Now the same connection for first 4 input AND gate. So just assume these 3 AND gates are one 4 input AND gate. So this is the connection we want for 4 input gate. So you are going to use SPST switches instead of SPDT, I think. Yeah, instead of SPDT switch.